guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I like to introduce a new project. I have it right here. Before you guys say anything, I did find this car for free on Facebook, and I picked it up a few months ago around October, and it's been sitting here in my driveway. I had it covered, but finally we're gonna dig into it, clean it up, and yeah, let's get to it.
So a little backstory on the Civic that picked up. It was completely free. The listing was posted just a few hours before I went to go pick it up, and I immediately went to go check it out with my brother. Although it seemed like a good steal, we didn't have any form of trailer to transport the Civic. Luckily, the guy who listed the Civic was really cool and let us borrow his dolly, and he helped us get it home. The best part was that the location of the Civic was basically down the road from my house, so transporting wasn't complicated. Here's some pics and clips.
Alright, you guys, so here's the car in its full glory. It is a, I think it's a 93 EG hatchback Honda Civic, and I think it's a DX trim. I'm not sure because I mean it's pretty much bare bones. It's just the shell with a few parts inside. Yeah, this is the car right here. What I plan to do today is just clean out the interior, wash it down, check what parts we have exactly. But this is what the car looks like. The engine bay still has some things in here. The windshield is still pretty intact. Everything looks good though. The body looks straight, but right here where the rad support is, it's kind of kinked right there. This side looks fine. Guys, with that being said, I'm gonna take all this mess out, sort it out over here, and then hopefully get the inside cleaned up. So let's get to it. So I got the car completely emptied out. I'm just gonna pick up the little scraps and then vacuum the car, but this is what it looks like. And then over here, here's the pile of parts that came with the car. Right here I have the front knuckles, the subframe with the tie rod ends, the steering rack and the lower control arms, brake booster, a strut, this muffler right here, the front bumper that's all messed up, and then a couple of like parts for the AC and some seat belts. Alright, you guys, so I picked up all the little scraps left in there, and I was able to find about like 48 cents of change, so I'm 48 cents richer now.
guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Comment and leave your thoughts on what I should do below, and I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.